Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Ridgeline door panel. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to prevent damage, a Phillips head screwdriver for various fasteners, and a small flathead screwdriver for prying covers. Also, have a clean cloth or mat ready to protect the panel once it's off. Having these items prepared makes the process much smoother and helps avoid frustration. Now, let's begin by addressing the visible fasteners. Locate the small screw cover behind the interior door handle and carefully pry it off with your flathead screwdriver. Beneath it, you'll find a Phillips head screw. Remove this completely. Next, gently pry up the power window switch panel, usually located on the armrest. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to it by pressing their release tabs. With the initial screws and switch panel removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Start at one of the lower corners of the door. Insert your plastic trim removal tool into the gap between the door panel and the metal door frame. Gently pry outwards to release the clips. Work your way around the entire perimeter, releasing each clip one by one. Listen for the distinct popping sound as they disengage. Once all the clips are released, the door panel will feel loose. Carefully lift the entire panel upwards to unhook it from the top edge of the door frame. Before fully pulling it away, reach behind the panel to disconnect the door handle cable. This usually involves rotating a small plastic piece. Finally, unplug any remaining electrical connectors, such as those for the door light. Now, you can safely set the panel aside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.